Hey guys, you're watching Hash Crew.
Hello?
We're gonna modify my board, take it out for a spin. See these tires? These tires don't spin. Look at that. Wow. Poor tires. Can I caveman? See, I can't caveman because the tires are all messed up.
That makes perfect sense.
Ooh, I can. Dude! Excuse me.
Oh yeah, I'm digging this. Yeah.
Bro, do it, bro. Do it.
You ready, dude?
Do it, bro. Do it, bro. Do it, bro. Oh, you got this. Oh, you got this. Oh! We back.
I've never had better water than Chiefs water.
Tell us about it.
Well, it's a little bit spicy. Yeah, I wish they'd kind of cool it down.
Oh my god, dude! Dude, that was so.
Oh.
Oh, dude. Dude, that jizzed on me.
To my nose, dude.
That was good.
Yeah, those man.
Oh, you know, hey, no, you know what you should do? When it all comes in your mouth, like, go, like, spit it out like that. Watch, I'll do it again.
Don't spit it on me.
That was cool, huh?
Good night, like skittles.
Titty.
Alright, Kenny.
He's just trying to jog.
Oh my god. It was my nose.
What are you doing, man?
I was saying free that jogging.
Oh, I need to wash my hands off, though.
I gotta piss.
Oh, wait, you gotta know it's coming, dude.
You have to go all
You have to go all the way up. You said ours. You said ours was weak.
Mine wasn't coming up.
What?
Mine wasn't
You have to go all the way up, dude. You went like that.
I wasn't ready, bro.
Dude, you got.
Bro, I wasn't ready. That scared me.
Heads up.
Yeah, after a little bit it stopped.
Dude,